Hey everyone, I'm so glad you are here with me today. We are going to read from Matthew chapter 4, verses 18 to 22. As Jesus was walking beside the Sea of the Galilee, he saw two brothers, Simon called Peter and his brother Andrew. They were casting a net into the lake, for they were fishermen. "Come, follow me," Jesus said, "and I will send you out to fish for people." At once they left their nets and followed him. Going on from there, he saw two other brothers, James, son of Zebedee, and his brother John. They were in a boat with their father Zebedee, preparing their nets. Jesus called them, and immediately they left the boat and their father and followed him. Thank you so much for listening. I hope today's reading encourage your heart. Stay blessed, and I'll see you again tomorrow.